Hello and good afternoon. I am Hydrogen, and I'll be your tour guide today through the periodic table boarding house. It was founded by Doberreiner in 1817, who organized the elements in triads. Then the house was bought by Newlands in 1863, creating the octave organization. Mendeleev then expanded the house, organizing it by atomic mass. The house is currently owned by Moseley, who organized the elements by atomic number. The elements of the alkali metals were here. They are soft metals and are nice to everybody, donating their one electron whenever necessary. They're best buds with their next door neighbors, the alkaline earth metals, who they share many traits with. The alkaline earth metals live in room 2A and they're very shiny. Next we'll move on to the transition metals, who have constant parties in rooms 1B to 8B. They party pretty loudly and tend to start reactions with other elements. They are the most popular among the elements. Oh no, the transition metals are starting something right now with the alkali metals. Now the alkali metals are calling for their water buddies. Go. Go. Now that the fight has ceased, we can continue on with our tour. Next we have the metalloids on the stairs. As you can see, they're good at making technology. They have properties of both metals and nonmetals. On the second floor, we have nonmetals who occupy rooms 4A to 6A. They are pretty gassy elements that nobody really likes because they do not conduct electricity or heat very well. Also, they are very brittle and cannot be rolled into wires or pounded into sheets. The nonmetals have no metallic luster and do not reflect light. The halogens live in room 7A and they are known for their tendency to bond with themselves. I love you. They also form with other elements to create salts. And a salt. Our richest inhabitants, the noble gases, live in room 8A. They are very stable elements that do not donate nor accept electrons. Now let's move to the outdoors to meet our most colorful attendants. Here are the lanthanides and the actinides, our gangs of the boarding house. The lanthanides think that they are pretty hardcore, but they're actually relatively soft metals. Second one taken. The actinides are mostly man-made and robotic elements. Here's their leader, Darth Actinide. Go. Toss me my sword, minion. Thank you for visiting the periodic table boarding house. We hope you become discovered and come join us one day. Elements can be represented through electron configuration. In electron configuration, there are 4 levels that are used: the S level, the P level, the D level, and the F level. Use the diagonal rule chart to determine the electron configuration for each element. The electron configuration should add up to the element's electrons. There are multiple periodic trends that exist for the periodic table, such as electronegativity, electron affinity, and ionization energy that decrease as you go down and to the left. Atomic radius, on the other hand, decreases as you go to the right and up on the periodic table. Now. Let's see.